What's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. Now, today we're going to give you a quick unboxing. And you know me. Anybody that's seen my channel know I love me some inexpensive ear pods. You know what I'm saying? Those earphones, inexpensive ones. And I have nothing against the expensive ones. Okay. Matter of fact, sometime this year I plan on buying me some. All right. But today we're going back to the same brand. And it's called Two Boom. And that's TBOOM. And I got these, and I know you've probably seen them. I got these at the dollar store. Okay. You may be able to pick them up at Family Dollar, but I got them at the dollar store for $5. And they're in that Dollar Tree Plus aisle, you know, when all this stuff is $5. Some stores have it, some stores don't. Okay. Now, I'm looking down, got my notes, got my drink, got my coffee here. And before I go on, I want to say hello to all my subscribers, my existing subscribers and new subscribers. And I ask you to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with people who you think might be able to use this. Okay, so let's do this now. The name of these is Viva Air. Okay, Viva Air, VIVE Air. Okay, now let me show you this. Get right into it. I opened the box so I don't have to fight with it. Here they are. And I know you've probably seen some of these hanging around at the Dollar Tree store, at the, like I said, Dollar Tree Plus aisle. Okay. Yep, they're $5, as I stated. All right. And I really like these, and I'll have to tell you, I did try them out because I charged it up so I can give you a good look of it. So this can not only just be a unboxing, it can be a review. Okay, so I can also tell you stuff to look out for. So let's take it out of the box. You can see that right there. Take this out of the box right here. Here's the carrying case and charging case right there. See that? Not bad. That's where they set in at. Name on there, Two Boom. Now, they give you extra right here, earpieces, as you see. Now, what I like about these, take these out. Take a look at it. And look at the bottom. Okay. See that blue light? Probably didn't see that. What I like about these, they fit snug into your ear. They do. Okay. Oh, I got it wrong. There we go. There we go. They do fit snug into your ear. You see that? They're in there. That's important, especially if you're a jogger, somebody who's working out, somebody's walking their animal. You want them in there. Okay? That's them. Look good. These are pretty. I like them. They fit nicely into the case. that wrong. See, this is real. All right, there you go. Nicely into the case like that. Even in the case as we speak, they're charging. Very nice. Okay, $5. Now, let's talk about these a little bit. Okay, with their capability is touch control. I like that. It's touch control. Hands-free mic. Need to answer some calls. Yep, easy. Now, I did pair these, and they paired nicely with my Android and my iPhone. So it was very easy pairing these up. It wasn't a hassle at all. Okay. Playtime, that's right, it can vary, but I did get about 4 hours out of it. Okay. And it says distance 32.8 feet. You can go about 32.8 feet with these. Now that's pushing it. I'm gonna tell you. That's technically what it says. Oh yeah. Now this is a cool part about these. These are already ready to go to work with Google Assistant or Siri. So it can work with your Google Assistant, Google, or Siri with your iPhone. It's already built in. The technology is already ready to go to work with that. That's really cool for $5. Okay. Now, uh, yeah, it comes like I stated. It comes with extra earpieces. Okay. It has Bluetooth. Yes, 100% has good quality Bluetooth on it. See if I can give you that blue. Even as I'm holding this, it's charging it up. Let's see. Now, what impressed me about these, I'm telling you the good and the bad. What impressed me about these is, yeah, they're snug in the ear. Okay, and people have different ears. Okay, but for most part, mine, uh, they fit snug. I had no problem with it. It was great. Okay. Now, what you want to consider is this. The only problem I have with it is ultra sensitive touch. Okay? If you just glaze by it, you can turn off, like if you listen to music, you can easily just turn off with just a glazing by the ear. Okay? By the Viva pod. A Viva AirPod. Okay, I mean, it is super super sensitive touch, but it does work. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind. That's the only thing. That's the only thing because it's hard to get used to that when you're used to other AirPods you put in your ear and you really have to really push it. For some. No, this was just a gentle slide and boom. It stopped my music. A gentle slide started my music. You know, it is very, very sensitive and very, very active. That's the only thing I found impressive and annoying all at the same time. But these are $5 at your Dollar Tree. All right. And that is my review. Hope you enjoyed it. Go pick yourself up some. Tell me if you like it or not. All right. And as I stated before, thank you. And I shall wrap to you later. Peace.